Open the glove box. Pinch the tabs on the side of the housing and remove the housing door. Pinch the tabs to release the filter tray. Remove the filter tray. Remove the old filter from the tray and insert your new filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter tray. Reinstall the panel by threading the base in. Then push in on the clips to secure the panel. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.